Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. This is the chart of GBPJPY in daily time frame. This pair is in downtrend and is coming downward. It is going up for the retest of a level. Now this is the level. This pair has broken three levels at one time. In these conditions, sometimes the pairs go up to the first level for retest, then come down. It is the possibility that it could go even up to this level, and I don't think that this will come down from here. At least this is the support that has been broken. This pair is expected to go, even it can go up to here, but I don't think it will go all the way back to. So let us see that what importance this level has on the 15 minutes time frame. And this is the 15 minutes time frame wick. Now it zoom out. This is this wick is above from that, is over this, so we have to watch the wick, at least the level of this wick. The pair is expected to go at this wick, the high volume powerful downward move, and then 15 minutes up. These wicks are very important, and most of the time markets go up to retest of that level. So GBP JPY I don't think will come down from here. It will go at least up to this level. Now let us see on the daily time frame what level is this. Now zoom in. This is that level. Even it goes inside into this wick. So I think even at this level this pair may go, but this is the best option for sell. So now let us put here the short position. This is the short position, and the best stop loss is this. This is the best stop loss, but in conditions stop loss could be put above this wick, because maybe the pair could go to retest this level also, because in one move all the three levels have been broken. In these conditions pair go to retest the first breakout, but the 15 minutes level is this for take profits. So let us adjust it here as a stop loss. This is the entry and first TP, and I think at this level the first TP is better to take on this level. Let me adjust it here. This is the first TP, and there is high probability that after coming down the pair is expected to consolidate either at this level, or I don't think that it will go all the way back to this support, but here is the level. Second TP can be taken at this level, because in the January there is high probability that the yen will fall down and the pair will go up because of their monetary policy. So this is the TP2, maximum TP2, I think, because now let me, this is the TP2, and it is better to take half position here or full position here, then let the January come in, and then see where it is expected to consolidate and make the upward setup, because it won't go directly. Now it will consolidate and make a setup. Though this was a very impulsive move, when the central banks take any decision that is very strong, then these impulsive rejections do happen. But most of the time the pairs consolidate, then makes high and higher high and break the highs, and then make the higher lows. This way the market goes upward whatsoever it does. But this is not a good entry point here. The best entry point, I think, is this level. This is 1.63279. It looks me that, what is this, when I am putting the cursor here. Okay, you may sort out it by yourself. I have tried my best to explain this. Subscribe my channel, like this video, and please comment. Let me know in the comment below that what do you think of my these analysis and any of your suggestions. And thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel and like this video, share with others, as we could build a profitable traders community. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. I will be coming in the next video with another analysis. Bye for now.